Welcome to the session of Python variables and types. In this session, we will learn about variables in Python and various types of variables. Let's go to Jupyter Notebook and see how to create variables and how to see the different types of variables as well. We define a variable, say income, and we say 100,000, and we click on run. If I want to see the content of the variable income, we say print income and it shows me 100,000 as the value. Now we define one more variable, say total area, and we say total area is just 100. Let's print the value of total area. So I say print, and then note here Jupyter has a beautiful functionality. You can type the first three letters and press tab to get the complete variable name. And when I say run, it shows me the value of the total area. Python can be used for various simple and complex mathematical calculations. So if I say income per unit area is a variable, and we say income divided by total area, and I say run, and now I say print inc and I press tab, it shows me two options, income and income per unit area. Because I have two variables now, one is income and one is income per unit area, because I need to select income per unit area, I select that and click on run, and it says 1000. Note that previously when I say print income, it has simply given me 100,000, whereas when I say print income per unit area, it gives me 1000.0. Why is this so? Because we have various data types in Python. For example, if I say type and I say income and I say run, it says it is an integer variable. Similarly, if I say type and I say total area, I click on run and it tells me that it is an integer variable as well. However, when I say type and I say income per unit area, it tells me that this variable is a float type variable and is not an integer. A float type variable is the one which can hold decimal values. We can also define string type of variables in Python. We can say name is equals to Roger, and when I print name, it gives me the output as Roger. And if I say what is the type of this variable, it tells me it is a string type variable. Now if I define a variable, say win, and I say true, note that the true is in upper lowercase, the T is in capital letter, whereas the remaining of the characters are in lowercase. Now when I say print win, it says true. When I check the type of this variable, it tells me it is a Boolean variable. So we have seen integer type variable, float type variable which can hold decimal places, string type variables which can hold characters, and bool type variable which can hold true and false. There can be mathematical operations on these variables as well, but some of the mathematical operations can behave differently in different contexts. Let's see. If I say distance in km is equals to 12, and I say distance in meter is equals to distance in kilometer multiplied by 1000, and I say print distance in meter, it can multiply the values and it can return the result. Let's take another example of plus operand. And this plus operand can behave, as I said, differently in different contexts. If I simply say a equals to 5 and b equals to 6, and I say C is equals to A plus B, and I say print C, it simply gives me the output as 11. But if I say X is equals to my and Y is equals to name, and I say Z is equals to X plus Y, and I say print Z, it concatenates the two string variables and it returns me the result as my name. In our upcoming sessions, we will be using all these type of variables for our data science requirements. Thank you. Happy learning.